Hello from Kobo Writing Life. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use our awesome price scheduling tool that allows you to set sale prices for your book ahead of time. You can just set it and forget it. In the price section of your book, you'll see your current prices and any custom prices you've set. We hope that you're taking advantage of all our currency options and customizing all of your prices. Under Scheduled Price Changes, you'll see two options: Schedule a sale and Schedule a price change. Scheduling a price change allows you to schedule a permanent price change for your book. This will change your book's price in all currencies and in all regions. As it's a permanent price change, there's no end date for the new price you've set. You'll see your scheduled price change here and can edit or cancel it at any time. To schedule a sale, click here. You'll be prompted to enter a start and end date for your sale. There's no limitations with the dates that you choose, so you can set as far ahead as you like. Once you've entered the dates, add your sale prices. You can enter the currencies individually, or you can add all the available currencies. If you'd like to set a sale that's only available in the US, then all you need to enter is the US price. You can schedule your book to be free by entering the price as 0. If you want your book to be discounted everywhere, you'll need to enter the price in each currency available. When you've saved your changes, you'll see your scheduled price changes here. Don't worry about forgetting your sale. We'll email you a notification when the sale is about to start and when it's ending. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to our team via the Help Center. You can find the link in the video description. Happy writing!